Yeah.
No, one man will park about it and it's all people. Get. Rolling. Just stop the letter passenger. Road man and see you like window.
Welcome to Out and About, you know what I mean? Big up on yourself, you don't know. Bad new vlog out there. You know what I mean? I'm your host, King Blacks, you know what I mean? Take it to a lot of different places. Don't know the Iraq house, I don't know our place, so just stop by watching the sunset for a few, you know what I mean, and see the vibe, you know what I mean? Yeah man, we're there. Oh, please like, share and subscribe, you know what I mean? Share the things them, you know what I mean? I don't know. Take your places all across the world. You know what I mean? We're just starting, we're just getting the things up and running. So I don't know. Natural look in a rock house, you know what I mean? Natural, you know what I mean? You can come chill, good chilling vibe. Yeah man. Nice natural look. Yeah man. Man. Nice place, you know what I mean? Chilling spot. Beach. You'll see a lot more. Yeah man. Tell us a natural look. Real natural look. Rock house. Natural. Everything. Room them nice. Yeah. Sunset. You know what I mean? Nice sunset from Rock House. Yeah man. Body chilling all in a nice good vibe. Yeah man. Yeah man. Right around. Good vibe. Yeah man. Nice chilling vibe. Yeah. Yeah man. I can fish into everything. Beauty sunset, you know what I mean? Nice vibe. You know.